So in this video, I'm taking you through how you can calculate your pay as you earn, your taxes payable to the Nigerian government. So this video is for Nigerians strictly. So this is how we go by it. This is the Fiscal Reforms.ng website of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So we want to access the personal income tax calculator. So I'm actually on the website https fiscalreforms.ng. So I'm going to drop the link in the video description. So I want to use the inbuilt calculator there. So once you're on this website, just come to this search box and just type in calculator, and then you can search. So and also I'm going to also copy and paste the link to this calculator on in the video description. So just click here, you can see personal income tax calculator. All right, so now I'm here. So I'm also going to copy this just in case you can click on it directly from the video description and go there yourself. So all right, so this is the personal income tax calculator, and that's just this personal income tax calculator actually simulates the tax rates, and also it helps you to know what you are subjected to under the Nigerian tax bill. And although it's been signed and gazetted already, so it's no longer a proposed tax bill, so it's become effective since January 1st, 2026 of this year. So and as well as the current tax rate as stipulated by law, allowing you to compare and understand the potential impact on your income. So and then note that your actual tax payable may be less, subject to tax deductibles, contributions such as pension and national housing fund. So it means that the tax that you are eventually going to pay might be less if you actually have pension and national housing fund, and that we are going to get to know in the course of this video. So now let's move straight to the pay as you earn tax calculator. So the old law versus new law comparison. All right, so now let's go straight, let's get started. So let's say I'm actually earning 600,000 naira yearly. That's the gross annual income. So and that translates to I'm earning 50,000 naira monthly. So now do I have NHF, National Housing Funds contribution? Possibly for someone in that salary bracket, it's actually practically not possible. For NHF contribution, National Health Insurance Scheme, mostly they are not usually on that. Pension contribution, I'm not sure. Interest on loan, I'm not sure. Life insurance, I'm not sure. But the only thing that I'm actually very sure for someone earning that salary is definitely going to be paying rent. And let's say the person is living in a house that is paying 100,000 naira yearly as his own rent. So now let's use that as an additional deduction. So you can see that it's optional. So if you are not having anything to do with all of these others, you are good to go. So now clicking on calculate my PAYE tax comparison. So this is a caveat. So national minimum wage earners 840,000 naira annual income or less are exempted from PAYE tax. So now based on the new law, this is what you've got. So gross annual income 600,000. So scroll down, taxable income 0, and for the old taxable income 280,000 naira. So just as you have it, you're not going to pay any PAYE to the government. So and also this is a comparison between both old law and the new law, and you can see it actually benefits the low income earners much more than the high income earners. So now okay, let me say that person now got promoted, the person, and he or she is now earning 6 million naira in a year. Definitely is going to change where he's living. So let's assuming he's now paying 800,000 naira as rent. 800,000 naira as rent. So I'm going to click on let's say his pension, NHF contribution, housing contribution yearly. Let's just give him maybe 50,000 naira yearly. National Health Insurance Scheme yearly, because he might have some other health insurance that are free. So let's just say maybe he's contributing 15,000 naira. Then his pension, let's say his pension is 500,000 naira yearly. All right, so I think others we can let go. So now let's click on calculate PAYE tax comparison, and let's see what we've got. All right, so we can see the gross annual income 6 million, just as I have here. NHF here, NHIS 50,000, pension contribution 500k. So now the rent relief, just as I said before, the rent relief is capped at 20% of your annual rent, and that is a maximum of 500,000 naira that you can be relieved by the government on your rent. So that is why you're having 160,000 naira here. So I'm still going to make a video to actually break all of these calculations down so that you can fully understand how you can go about this. And also looking at your tax bracket, the first 800,000 naira you will not be making any tax, paying any tax. So the next 2 million, 2.2 million of that money that you're earning, you'll be making tax payment for it. And now the next 9 million of that, you'll be making payment for that. So that is the way this calculation works. So maybe in subsequent videos I will actually break it down so that you can know. So now the monthly salary that's been calculated for you, if your yearly salary is 6 million, definitely you are earning 500,000 naira monthly, and your monthly pay tax is 61,625. So you get that. So that means this is what you're actually going to be paying monthly to the government. So now coming here, now this is a tax comparison. So the metric here is annual tax. This is the old, this is the new. Monthly tax, this is the old, this is the new. So looking at the differences, there's a little differences from the old to the new. So that means you're actually saving 48,000 naira with the current tax rate. So just as you have all of this comparison here, so with the proposed tax law, you will pay 4,002 naira less in monthly tax and take home 4,000 naira and 2 more per month compared to the current tax law. So I believe you actually understand how this PAYE tax calculator works. So you can just play around with the tax calculator and just put in figures that you would like to put in: 30 million, 300 million, 1 billion naira, if that's your gross annual income. Just play around it and calculate and get to know. So you can drop your feedback to the video comment, drop how much you are supposed to pay based on your own computation, and let us know in the comment section. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this video here. Kindly share, also put on your notification bell, and do not forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.